Hello, sir. Good evening again. Time check 7:41 p.m. So, this is my project for prelim. Um, Tagalog ko na lang, sir. Ano lang siya, sir? Parang simple lang. So, I make three projects, but I think the main one is here. So, first of all, well, this all, I just use Copilot instead of ChatGPT. So, I have project I have two projects that related to like a game line. So you need I'm gonna just use this as my color. So just it counts if kung na ano niya sa green, ano, hindi ko ginamit yung ilaw ko dito kasi para hindi makita masyado dun sir. Then stop, stop. It stops the set. Okay. Then the other one. What for one red color? This is a wrong title. This all the codes. Then the other one is just I just counts the bibilangan niya lang kung ilang beses lang na move. Like kita niyo yan, sir. So ginawa ko lang siya parang laro. You see? Di ako naka 200. And that's all, sir. The game. Then the main one is this. Like yung sa sinend niyo, sir, na yung sasakyan, um, instead of sakyan, yung color ulit, may ginawa ko na dalawang kulay pero naitag doon. Hindi niya ma-detect. I mean, basta guys. So, start, as you can see, pag napunta dito sa zone, nag-on siya. Then, on, ito again, go-on, nagtuto siya. So, ito yung pinaka-main project ko, sir. Then, for extra, I have some projects or what is this? Oh, with a mask. There's a problem in this code. What's more? I think this one is just perfect. This for multiple detection of the color green. So you can see how many. So let me it also. No, okay, I think that's all, sir. Thank you.